guys, and welcome back to another Five Below haul. It's been a while since I did one of those, but it's like I'm noticing a trend with the hauls this year. It's like the last one was Dollar Tree, now Five Below. It's like, we in a recession, I know. But anyway, so, was any of it stuff I needed? No. But is it stuff I thought would make good content? Fuck yes. So let me show you what all I got. So these are initially what caught my eye in a Facebook ad. Cards on the table. I don't think anyone will be freaking surprised. So I got this Feelin' Pumpkin Spicy Lip Care Trio by Scent X Scent. It's got a lip scrub, a lip butter, and a lip gloss in there. They're all pumpkin spice scented. Not sure about flavored. I haven't tried them yet. But pumpkin spice, you know, it's got my name all over it. They also had an Oh Bite Me Candy apple set just like it. And this is when I realized, oh, I know what they're duping. They're duping hemps, because look at their seasonal stuff that they did for autumn this year. These are the 2 cents. So that makes sense. That checks out. And I actually do have some stuff from that line, so I can compare how close they got it when I tear into these. Anyway. Since we are getting to that time of year again, and since I saw how cheaply they're selling these for, and since I know how much the actual brand name ones of these cost, and ultimately since hand sanitizer is fucking hand sanitizer, there's no need to buy the expensive shit. Buy the cheap ones from Five Below. So we have got, they're a dupe of the Touchland hand sanitizer sprays. So we have this one in Pineapple Dream. They're about the same shape. They're a little more squat and short, but it's the same idea. They work exactly the same. It's the same amount of rubbing alcohol that's in them. I checked side by side because I do have some actual Touchland ones. So I'm like, I would much rather pay a couple bucks for the Five Below version than 10 bucks for the Touchland one. For one. Come on, it's hand sanitizer, man. So, we have that. Doesn't say anywhere on it how many spritzes are in there. Probably not. I'm looking. I'm not seeing anywhere that oh wait, no, it does say it. So it claims up to 500 sprays, which is exactly the same as Touchland. So again, don't sleep on these. If they have these at your local Five Below, stock up. This is the time of year you want these. So I got that one. I also got, they basically wrapped this in like saran wrap. It's really awkward trying to get these out. But I know why they did it, because in case anything leaked, they want to make sure it wouldn't wreck the box, and that's smart, because I have had it happen before. So this one is fresh linen, which I'm intrigued. I'm not even sure Touchland does one like that. They might. If they do, I don't have it, but it's like, interesting. That sounds like it would be really nice. So I have that one. We've got Vanilla Dream, which, you know, love a good vanilla. I got the Cucumber Melon, which, love it or hate it, it is a staple. Especially if you were a 90s kid. Like, sorry, like you either loved it or hated it. I have Strawberry Fizz. And I have Pink Sugar, which, gee, I wonder what brand they could be ripping off with Pink Sugar. Let's think real hard. So anyway, that's the hand sanitizers. Actually, I'm very stoked to have those this time of year. And then, again, like the 90s / early 2000s kid in me was delighted to see a dupe for something that has been discontinued for literally decades now. So, do you remember the Altoid Sours? Looks just like the tin. This is the tangerine flavor. They just call them Retro Sours, and it's by a brand called Iconic Candy. And I also have mango. And I'm like, dude, if this is anything like the ones I remember, I'm going to be all over this and probably be back for more of them. So, honestly, as cheap as they were, I am down to try that. Anyways, so here's the other one that I got of the lip trio stuff. This one's just vanilla, but I mean, gotta love a good vanilla, right? So, having seen that, This is where it gets much more interesting because I actually ventured into the crafty part of Five Below. And they apparently have all these little itty bitty knit kits. And I was like, I mean, I am far, far, far beyond a beginner with knitting. That is not the point of this. I thought these might be fun to do on videos and like give my take on how doable they are and what I think of them for potential beginners. So anyway, I'll just show you the ones I have and you guys can tell me if that's a good, bad, or otherwise idea. So I have this one that is the small fries, little French fries. It comes with literally everything you need to make this. Now you couldn't buy the supplies to make this for as cheap as they sell this. That's why it caught my attention. I was like, I'm down to try that actually. So it shows you on the bag. It's got your knitting needles, it's got a little yarn needle, it's got the fiberfill stuffing, it's got your yarn, it even has the little applique, all of it all ready, set to go for like $2. Really? Like, you couldn't even get the needles alone for that most likely. That's why I'm like, holy shit, that's a great deal. So I'm totally doing that. And of course, once you buy a kit like that, you have the pattern forever, so you know. Anyway, there's that one. I also got, this one is the popcorn one. It's a little kawaii face on it. It's so cute. So we have that one. It's got little ears and everything. I love it. So that one's very cute. Also got the one that's just a little pair of cherries. I just love the amigurumi-ness of it all. I've definitely done more crochet amigurumi stuff, but I have knitted it before. And I even did some as a beginning knitter, so I know damn well that it can be done. Oh, I just noticed the detailing for that. They used a pipe cleaner for the steps. That's clever. That is clever. So there's that one. Oh god, what are we? This is supposed to be like a little lemonade glass, or I guess glass. It's got a little straw and everything. Looks like, again, pipe cleaners that have been twisted together. And I'm not sure what the little lemon slice is on it. I suppose we'll find out when we make this one. And then, the Frenchiest guy. It is a croissant with a beret. It's so cute. It's Madame Croissant. I love her. So, we've got that. We have a little acorn that's autumnal. We have an ice cream cone with sprinkles on it. I'm like, these are freaking adorable. My favorite part, this isn't even all of them that they make. This is just all the ones they had available to ship. There's other ones that are in-store only. So, you know, check your local stores, because apparently they have a ton of these. This one's like a little juice box. They've got a corn dog. It's so friggin' cute. And I mean, I can tell just like eyeballing them that these are like a single afternoon project. These are like nothing intensive. This one I was even more impressed with because we've got a little cat in a beret. But this is like one of the only ones I noticed that really does like color work in the knitting. So it teaches you striping patterns, which I think is smart for like young crafters that this is actually aimed for. So that is very, very well played. I wouldn't necessarily start with that one as like the very first one if you are gifting these to a young knitter, but just keep in mind it's like it doesn't take that long to learn how to do stripes. Proper color work beyond that, like Fair Isle, even a decade in, I still haven't figured that shit out. But anyway. The creme de la creme. There was a Disney branded one. This one is crochet though. We got Stitch. I was like, oh my god, no way. Kimmy's gonna shit when she sees that one. So we've got that. And then there's two more. It's like make your own bag kits. Like that one's a little strawberry one. Honestly, I could probably eyeball that pattern just looking at it, but I wanted to see what they had to offer, because again, the whole kit was less than you would pay for the supplies. And there's one with daisies, which actually, this fits my aesthetic more. But they're very cute. I'm very excited to do all these on camera with you guys, just on different days and stuff, because I think it'd be fun. So let me know what you think. And as always, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.